Hey guys, and welcome to a new video from Hackinons. In this video, we will understand what does name is equal to main exactly mean. You may have seen this set of line in many programs that says if name is equal to main and then it executes a set of functions. But have you ever stopped to figure out what does it exactly mean? Don't worry, we will help you out and explain the exact meaning of this line of code. So what I've done is I've created a simple program that on the line 1 prints the name variable using a variable called as dunder name. Then I've created a simple function and I run that using if name is equal to main. So let me just run this and show you what exactly happens. And as you can see, it says name variable is main and then it says hello world because that simply got printed from this function. So normally when a code is executed in Python, at the time of execution, certain set of values are set to certain model variables. And this one is dunder name. So what is this dunder name all about? A dunder name is a name variable that is simply set so that it is possible to decide which module is being ran at the execution of the program. So here what happens is, since there are no modules imported in this set of code, Python sets the default value of the name variable as main. So this is defined by the Python developers. This means that there are no modules being imported and this program runs by itself. Now I've created another file called as myprogram.py and it's obviously saved in the same folder so that we can import the previous file, that is file.py. Okay, so what I've done is in the myprogram.py I've imported file.py and let's run that set of code. And as you can see, now it says name variable is file. So what it does is it runs this set of code and sets the value of the name variable to the file that we have imported, that is import file. But have you seen something really peculiar? The statement print hello world does not get executed. The reason for this is really simple because in this line of code we said that if name is equal to dunder main, then we shall run this code. Otherwise, we would not run it. So what Python did is when it executed this module, it came on the line 7 and checked. The name variable is no more main, but it is file. As you can see over here, it is file. That is why this name function did not get run. So now what I did is I created two more lines of code. That is, I created a simple add function and then I created another phrase saying that if name is equal to file, then we will create and execute the add function. So now let me run this set of code and see the output. As you can see now, the name variable is simply file and the add function gets executed and 10 plus 6 gives us the output of 16. So I hope you understand what is the exact use of this name is equal to main. One application and example of this is when you want to run a certain set of function only in the respective file. For example, we wanted to run this main function only inside the file.py while not in any other files, then we can make use of this name is equal to main. So just revising once again, the name is equal to main method is used to check which module is being ran at the time and execution of this code. Well, I hope you understand the basic and simple explanation of why we make use of this line in our programs. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Hackinons YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.